That's called rocking out with your Billy Morris out, right there. I love this guy. And the band too, I'm gonna meet them later. We're gonna go backstage in the green room, we're gonna find some hot women. And we're gonna rock out with our Morris out. And that guy too, and that guy too. And this guy, he's part of my 09 crew. I'm sponsoring you, and I'm sponsoring you, little man. That guy is awesome, I know. Everybody come up, thanks for the Toyota AMA Motocross. And Billy Ersick and Farber, who's got a gimp leg, I love you too. Alright, and hooray, we still got plenty more. They're gonna play for like another hour and a half. Billy Morris Band. Give it up for the Billy Morris Band, and the bass player, and that guy over there, and the drummer, and everybody else.
Dave, don't go anywhere, because I want you to come up a little later on and sing another song. We'll do something like Van Halen or something.
Oh wait, I'm not a singer.
Well then, no.
I'm very shy in front of people.
We are going to call up our secret weapon right now. She worked all weekend. She's working for everybody here, and I want you to give a big warm welcome to Hannah Reed. Going to sing a couple songs for everybody. Hannah!
What is up, Steel City? Are you ready to rock? Right before we start this off, I want to give you a big welcome, a big thank you to our people at Racer X. Let me hear it. They put in a lot of work and a lot of hours, and they did everything they could to make this one of the best Steel Cities yet. So once again, give a huge round of applause for the entire Racer Productions team. And of course, Monster Energy. Browns.
I bought you a brand new Mustang. You're 1965. What you wanna do? Run around, Sally. Don't even get that far. Mustang, Sally, not behaving. Guess you better slow that Mustang down. You've been running all over this town. Ow, I guess you better put your flat feet on the ground. I said, all you wanna do is ride around Sally now. Ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally now. Ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do, ride around Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally now. Ride, Sally, ride. You've been running all over this town. Ow, I guess you better put your flat feet on the ground. Oh yeah. All you wanna do is ride around Sally now. Ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally now. Ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally now. Ride, Sally, ride. Been running all over the town. Ow, I guess you better put your flat feet on the ground.
buddy. I remember you guys were the high five guys.
Hey, dude, you're all right, dude, man.
Oh my God, Dave.